Hello students, my name is Mehak. I'm your science teacher. Today I'm going to teach you the PCR technique, that is polymerase chain reaction, right? So this topic is very important as exam point of view, right? So अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि पीसीआर टेक्निक कैसी होती है, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलेगा और मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक शेयर करना ना भूलेगा. So, first of all, I have discussed what is PCR. As मैं आपको PCR की डेफिनेशन बता चुकी हूँ. PCR क्या होता है? पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन, राइट? सो पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन बेसिकली होता क्या है? It is a technique of synthesizing the multiple copies of the desired gene, right? इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? कितनी सारी कॉपीज बना लेते हैं जीन की इन विट्रो, राइट? इन विट्रो, राइट? आई होप आपको इन विट्रो इन विवो का डिफरेंस पता होगा, राइट? इन विट्रो में हम क्या करते हैं, कितनी सारी कॉपीज बना लेते हैं डिजायर्ड जीन्स की, राइट? So it is a technique developed by Carey Mullis. So Carey Mullis was the first scientist to develop this technique in 1985, right? So what means he, on the what principle he discovered this PCR technique, right? So it is based on the principle that DNA molecules, when subjected to the high temperature, right? Suppose this is a DNA molecule, right? This is the DNA molecule. When this DNA molecule subjected to the high temperature, right? This two DNA molecule, it will split, right? Suppose this will split. You can see these two DNA molecules will split into two strands, right? This step will be known as the denaturation. So, right, this single DNA stranded molecules then converted to the original double stranded molecules by synthesizing the new strands in presence of the enzyme, that is DNA polymerase enzyme, right? I just write the short form of that. So the double stranded molecule of DNA, then it will form a multiple copies of the desired gene, right? So this is the basic concept about the PCR, right? PCR is what? It is a polymerase chain reaction. It is a technique by it synthesizing the multiple copies of desired gene, right, in vitro. It is a technique developed by Carey Mullis in 1985. In this, what will happen? This is the suppose this is the DNA. You can say DNA molecules which we subjected to the high temperature. Then it will split into the two strands, right? When it will split into the two strands, the single strand molecules then converted into the original double stranded molecules by synthesizing the new strands. In the presence of these DNA polymerase enzyme, then form the multiple copies of the gene, right? So next, basic requirements, right? What are the requirements to synthesize the multiple copies of the genes, right? First is the DNA template. First we require the DNA template. In DNA template, the desired segment. In this DNA template means this. This is the basic requirement, right? This is the basically DNA template which we required to be amplified, right? Next, second requirement is the two nucleotide primers. The two nucleotide primers basically note that 10 to 18 nucleotide right, 10 to 18 nucleotide long and complementary sequence present at the three end of the target DNA, right? So note it down, right? 10 to 18 nucleotide at 3 dash end of the target DNA, right? Third requirement is the enzyme. Which enzyme? I already told you, DNA polymerase enzyme, usually it is known as the Taq polymerase enzyme, right? First requirement, we require the DNA template, which we have to be amplified. Second requirement, two nucleotide primers, basically a 10 to 18 nucleotide, right, which situated at the 3' end of the target DNA segment. Third is enzyme. Which enzyme? DNA polymerase, usually that is Taq polymerase, for synthesizing the new copies of the DNA, right? This is the basic requirements for the PCR, right? Next, working and mechanism of this PCR technique, right? So in this, you can see the first step is the denaturation. In the first step, what will be happen? This is the DNA template, right? This is the DNA template. You can see that this is the DNA template. When we heat this DNA template, right, what will happen when we treat this DNA template at temperature? At what temperature? 94 degrees Celsius temperature we heat. This DNA template will separate out, right? This DNA template will separate out. Now each of the two strands of the DNA, it act as a new DNA strand, right? So this step is known as the denaturation. Basically, in this, what will be happened? Breakdown of hydrogen bond. When we heat the DNA template, breakdown of hydrogen bonds will take place, right? Then second step, this second step is we known as the annealing. Annealing means joining. This, you can see that this DNA template will be properly separate out. Now what will happen? These two separate DNA strand, then it will join together at a low temperature, 40 to 60 degree Celsius temperature, right? In this, what will be happen? The two primers, that the two nucleotide primers, to each of the single stranded template DNA, right, in presence of the synthetic oligonucleotide, it will join, right? It will join. This step is known as the annealing. At the third step is the extension means ki extent of the DNA template, means ki to form the multiple copies, right? This is the third step. You can see that with the help of in this step, what will happen? The DNA polymerase enzyme, usually the Taq polymerase or plus deoxy nucleotides, what will happen? These two primers, it extends toward each other, right, in order to copy the DNA segment, right? So this, in this, what will be happen? The deoxynucleoside triphosphate and magnesium, right? It will helps in the extension at temperature. This required 72 degrees Celsius. This is the main point, that you have to remember the temperature of all the three steps, right? So you can see that it will form the multiple copies of the DNA, right? This is the working and mechanism of the PCR polymerase chain reaction, right? So next is, these are the steps which I will explain the written on this. In denaturation, the target DNA is heated to high temperature, that is 94 degrees Celsius, which I will explain, right? Then heating results in the separation of two strands of the DNA. Then each of two strands of the target DNA act as template for synthesizing the new strand of the DNA, right? Then second step is the annealing. Annealing means joining, right? This step carried out at low temperature, that is 40 to 60 degrees Celsius temperature. In these, the two oligonucleotide primers, these are hybridase, means ki to join to each other to form single strand template of the DNA, right? Then third step is the extension. In this, the DNA strands are extended. DNA polymerase, in this, the DNA polymerase enzyme, it will synthesize the DNA fragments between the primers. Usually what we use the Taq polymerase enzyme. The two primers extended towards each other in order to copy the DNA segments. Then what will require deoxynucleoside, triphosphate, and magnesium, which at 70 degrees Celsius temperature, which helps to extend the DNA strand and help to form the multiple copies of the DNA stranded and to multiple copies of the desired gene, right? So these are what I will discuss right now in this video. First of all, what is PCR? Basic principle of PCR, requirements, what we require, working and mechanism. Then these were the 3 steps which I will explain, right? In my next video, I will explain the applications of this PCR, right? So students, if you really like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.